I know we just started, but it's 2.3 average right now. 2.3. Not good enough. Let's see if we can get one, probably. Boy, somebody's gonna call the cops on me today, I tell you. Somebody is definitely gonna call the cops on me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. We have a very interesting video today. Now, I don't think I've seen anybody do this, but basically what we're going to be doing today in this car is we are going to be trying to get the worst possible MPG or miles per gallon possible. Okay, I see a lot of videos of people, you know, seeing the best they can get, but I never saw anybody purposely trying to get the worst. Basically what I'm going to do is probably drive this car for like 10 miles, yeah, maybe about between 10 and 20 miles. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna drive it really hard, really fast, really crazy to just get the worst possible miles per gallon in this 2017 Camaro SS. Then after, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do another 10 to 20 miles. It'll be the same amount as the first, but you know, I'll do another one trying to get the best. Of course, I'm gonna have a lot more fun getting the worst. You know, the second one is gonna be pretty boring, but yeah, man, hope you guys are ready. I just randomly thought of this video, but I'm pretty excited, man. So let's get it started here. I haven't used remote start in a while, man. Ooh, she still sounds good, and she stopped. Still stock, still sounding good, man. Let's get it, let's get it. Well, I'm telling you, man, there's no need to even modify this car as far as like exhaust. I know some people have the same exhaust that I have, the you know, the factory stock NPP, and it's so good. So, you know, I don't get why people mod it, man, but I guess louder is louder, man. But this thing sounds loud enough for me, man. So right now the car is in touring mode, which is a very rare case for me. Oh nah, yeah, you know we feel about copyright, man. All right, so right now the car is in touring mode. I'm gonna be using trip A for the first one. I never really reset this before. How do you reset this? See, I think just hold down the center button. Let's see. All right, that was easier than I thought. All right, so trip A is going to be trying to get the worst MPG possible, and then trip B, I'm not resetting it yet, that's going to be where we're trying to get the best. All right, guys, so we off now. Car is pretty close to being at the warm-up mark. All right, let's go. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. We gotta be in sport mode for this. Sport mode. Boy, somebody's gonna call the cops on me today, I tell you. Somebody's definitely gonna call the cops on me. All right, let's get it, man. Turn that traction off. All right, I know we just started, but it's 2.3 average right now. 2.3. Not good enough. Let's see if we can get one, probably. Oh man, if you don't get out of my way, boy, damn. Also, actually, I'm gonna put the car in manual mode so I can keep the revs high. All right, so put down the windows a bit so you guys can hear the exhaust. I know some of you guys really like the exhaust on this car. It's really nice. we're at 4.2 right now. It's actually going up. I thought it would stay low. Alright, so we just passed 2 miles, guys. We're at 2.4 miles driven so far. The MPG is 5.6. Okay, so 2.5 miles, 5.6. So I know you guys want to hear the nice exhaust, but I'm going on the highway now and it's gonna be way too much wind coming in the car right now. All right, so I'm getting on the highway at about 4.5 miles, guys, and the MPG is just around 6 miles per gallon. So I kind of wanted to do this at a later time in the day because you know, less traffic. Right now everybody's going to work right now. It's about 8:33 a.m. I'm actually making this video right before I start work. Now, you know what, guys, I actually work from home right now, and this route I'm taking is actually the route I would actually take to work, you know, if we were going into the office. And I kind of miss this. I really miss driving to work. And I really like working at home too, but you know, nothing beats just waking up early in the morning, hearing the engine, man, of this car. It's like, I don't know, some people drink coffee in the morning, bro, and me, I drive this car as my coffee. It's crazy. Gets you pumping, boy. All right, guys, so we are at 8.8 miles driven. We're almost at the 10. I said I was going between 20 and 20, but I'm just gonna leave it at 10. I don't feel like going that many miles now in one go. 1 more mile left, and you know, we'll stop and 9.9. Okay. All right, 10. So we're at 10 and we got 8 miles per gallon, guys. 8. Let me get the camera and show you guys here. All right, guys, so that is it for the first part. Trying to get the worst MPG for 10 miles. I got 8 miles to the gallon. Yeah, man, I'm sure I could have gotten worse than that. I'm going to go back home now. I'm going to do trip B. Trip B is going to be basically the you know, the nice calm family drive home, you know. First thing first, I'm gonna leave it in auto instead of the manual mode. I'm gonna put it in touring mode. I'm gonna put the traction back on, you know, as you normally would, and let's reset the trip B. All right, so yeah, man, let's go. Let's see what's the best we can get. I'm probably not going to record too much of the drive back home because, you know, this is more of a calm drive, and I don't think it's as exciting on video, but I don't know, I'll probably put a little bit of a clip here and there. What I'm hoping is that nobody challenges me on the road because it's gonna be really hard to to turn it down, man. I'm really gonna try to be calm all the way. All right, let's see how this goes, man. Man, guys, honestly, like, I think my car gets confused when I put it in touring mode because it's so not used to it. Like, I'm telling you, rarely ever go in touring mode. No, besides this video, the only other reason I would have this car in touring mode, guys, is because let's say I'm maybe really low on gas and I'm not sure where an next gas station is. I'd probably put it in touring mode, or, you know, if I look at how much I've spent in gas for the month, you know, and I realize like, shit, I'm spending too much in gas for the month so far, you know, then I would go ahead and, you know, I'd go ahead and put it in touring mode and save a little bit of gas, you know. But other than that, man, you don't really buy this car to save gas, man, to be honest. Even if I have the 8-speed auto with the active fuel management, you know, that puts it in V4 mode, it's a really damn good feature, man. But you know what, you don't buy this car for that, because, you know, even with that feature, you're still gonna want to hit it, man, driving this car. It is irresistible, man. You have to be so humble to buy a Camaro. Can you imagine somebody buying a Camaro SS and they just never floor it? They just never ever speed, never do anything like that in the car, man. I'm telling you, that'd be crazy. I'm telling you, guys, if you know somebody who does that, just tell them give up their car. Just sell their car, man. All right, so I'm at a stoplight right now, guys, and let me tell you, this really feels different. I really don't drive like this in this car, but this is actually relaxing and sort of fun. I thought I'd be bored out of my mind driving like this in this car, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Damn, this Mustang looks nice. So you know you're a true car lover, man. Every time you see a muscle car, just any nice car, you just always have to look, you know. You can always appreciate the design and everything that went into it, man. I'm probably becoming old, man. I'm becoming old. Like, I shouldn't like driving like this. That's crazy. That's crazy. It was a little hard on the accelerator there, but we're still good on the MPGs. But 22.3. Not bad for a V8. This Dodge Charger wants to race. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. I'm telling you, boy, every time I'm out, every time there's always somebody want to pick a fight, man. Never. And you see, like right now, I'm really tempted to just go catch up with him. But for the sake of this video, I can't right now. And there's way too much traffic. That's one thing I don't get. Like, if you have a Dodge Charger, a Dodge Charger is really large, okay? I mean, it's not too different from the Camaro, but it's still larger. And every time I see someone with a Dodge Charger like swerving through traffic, that shit just looks so damn weird for me, man. Like, it looks like, I don't know, bro, like that car is way too damn big to be doing that. So guys out there, if you're into Dodge Chargers, you know, don't look at this guy. This guy's, let me see if I can go closer. He's about to turn. But this guy is just hitting it in traffic, boy. It's a nice color though on the Dodge Charger. It's a nice color. I think that was an RT. It sounded like it had a V8 engine in there, but you know, it didn't have all those cosmetics of the SRT or the 392 or, you know, whatever. I don't know much about like Chargers and stuff and Dodge, but yeah, I believe that was probably an RT. I'm not letting any Dodge Chargers beat me, at least stock for stock, unless if it's a Hellcat or something. But yeah, man, I'm not letting any Dodge Charger beat me. If it's anything below a Hellcat, stock for stock, bro, if I lose, I'm trading in this car. All right, guys, so we are at 9.9, just about to reach 10, and come on. All right, 10. So let me pull over real quick. there you have it, guys. This is the best I could have gotten, and this was city driving, so probably maybe if it was highway miles it might have reached 27. Well, we had 8 for the worst, was it, and 22.7 for the best. That's crazy. Also, I do want to say, guys, thank you very much for 100 subscribers, man. I definitely noticed that I reached the mark, guys, and definitely didn't go unnoticed. You guys have shown me a lot of support on this channel, giving me a lot of recommendations on videos and car advice and things like that, you know, and I really appreciate it. In fact, a lot of the videos I do is because of certain comments you guys leave, you know, so thank you guys, man. Really appreciate it. And yeah, we going up from there, man. We're going up. So, you know, now that this video is over, you know what we're gonna do, right? Since we don't have to try and get the best MPG anymore, my boy, let's go.